Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to make pure handmade Desi Ghee from double cream. This traditional method has been used for generations and is incredibly simple. To start, I have double cream here which is rich in fat, perfect for making ghee. First I pour the double cream into a large bowl and let it sit at room temperature for about 6 to 8 hours. This allows the cream to slightly ferment, giving the ghee that authentic nutty flavor. Once the cream has rested, I begin churning it. You can use a hand mixer or even a traditional wooden churner if you have one. After a few minutes of churning, you will notice the cream separates into butter and buttermilk. The butter will clump together and the liquid that remains is buttermilk, which you can save for drinking or making other recipes. We use this remaining liquid to make our tea and coffee, which makes this nice creamy texture to our coffee. You can also wash this butter with cold water a few times to remove any remaining buttermilk. This step is really important because it helps extend the shelf life of your ghee. I'm not washing it because I'm gonna quickly show you how Desi Ghee is made. If I wash it, it's gonna take longer obviously, and I just wanna quickly show you how it's done. Next is time to turn this butter into golden aromatic ghee. I place the butter in a heavy bottomed pan and started heating it on medium-low heat. As it melts, you will see white froth coming on top. Keep stirring occasionally and continue cooking until the froth disappears and the liquid becomes clear. You will also notice some brown solids settling at the bottom of the pan. This is a sign your ghee is ready. As you can see the brown solid settling at the top of the pan. This is a sign that our ghee is ready. I'm gonna remove it from the heat. Let it cool slightly and then strain it using a fine mesh or muslin cloth to remove the brown solids. What you have left with is pure homemade Desi Ghee, full of flavor, nutrition and free from preservatives. You can store this ghee in an airtight container and it will last for months at room temperature. And that's it. Making your own Desi Ghee at home is incredibly rewarding and healthier than store-bought alternatives. Plus, it's perfect for cooking, baking, or even using as a moisturizer during winter. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to High Spirit Pharmacist, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more holistic health tips. Take care, stay healthy, stay high spirited. I'll see you in the next video.